Ready, start. It could not be said, and it is not even the case of the state, that it was not possible to segregate the allegedly tainted candidates from the untainted candidates. Full stop. From time immemorial, the importance of the Audi alteram partem rule has been emphasized and re-emphasized in several judicial pronouncements. Full stop. Two of them are set out to highlight the underlying rationale. Full stop. It is true fact that not giving notice, was not proper because principles of natural justice are fundamental in the constitutional setup of this country. Full stop. No man or no man's rights should be affected without an opportunity to ventilate his views. Full stop. We are also conscious that justice is a psychological yearning, in which men seek acceptance of their viewpoint by having an opportunity of vindication of their viewpoint before the forum or the authorities enjoined are obliged to take a decision affecting their right. Full stop. It may be that there are some who would decry the importance which the courts attach to the observance of the rules of natural justice. Full stop. Double inverted comma, when something is obvious, double inverted comma, close, they may say, double inverted comma, why force everybody to go through the tiresome waste of time involved in framing charges and giving an opportunity to be heard? Question mark. The result is obvious from the start. Full stop, double inverted comma, close. Those who take this view do not, I think, do themselves justice. Full stop. As everybody who has anything to do with the law well knows, the path of the law is strewn with examples of open and shut cases which, somehow, were not, of an unanswerable charges which, in the event, were completely answered, of inexplicable conduct which was fully explained, of fixed and unalterable determinations that, by discussion, suffered a change. Full stop. Nor are those with any knowledge of human nature who pause to think for a moment likely to underestimate the feelings of resentment of those who find that a decision against them has been made without their being afforded any opportunity to influence the course of events. Full stop. This court has held that the principles of natural justice reinforce the maxim that justice should not only be done but should be seen to be done. Full stop. It has been held that non observance of natural justice is itself prejudice to any individual. Full stop. It has been held that the principle that no one can be inflicted with an adverse order, full stop. Even the division bench, in the impugned order, recognizes the fact that it was imperative to implead affected parties, though ultimately it rested the case on certain exceptions which did not apply. Full stop. In the light of the specific rule, namely, Rule 9 of the A and R rules, there was no escape from the fact that the affected parties, like the appellants, ought to have been impleaded by the collector. Full stop. Even the horse rule 9, if civil consequences are to result to a party, opportunity ought to be given. Full stop. One of the two reasons given to justify the violation of the Audi alteram partem rule is the finding that prejudice caused due to non-grant of hearing has not been established. Full stop.